In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact a seller on eBay. Whether you want to ask about an item's details, shipping information, or just need some clarification, reaching out to a seller directly is the best approach. Let's dive into the process step by step to make sure you can easily get in touch with the seller. First, you want to make sure you are logged into your eBay account. This is essential because you need to be logged in to access all the features, including contacting sellers. If you haven't already, enter your username and password on the eBay homepage to sign in. Once you're logged in, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, navigate to the item listing that you are interested in. You can do this by entering the item's name or number in the search bar at the top of the eBay page. Once you find the listing, click on it to open the item's detailed page. This page provides you with all the information you need about the item, including the price, description, and seller information. Next, it's time to locate the seller information section. This part of the page is usually found on the right hand side or underneath the item description. It contains the seller's name, feedback score, and other relevant details. In this section, you'll see a link that says Contact Seller. Go ahead and click on that link. After clicking the link, you might be directed to a page with frequently asked questions. If you don't find the answer you are looking for, simply scroll down to the bottom of the page. There, next to the section labelled Still Have Questions, you will see another Contact Seller link. Clicking this link will allow you to proceed to the messaging stage. Upon clicking this link, a chat box will appear, typically on the right side of your screen. This chat box is where you can type out your message to the seller. Be clear and concise in your message, providing all the necessary details to ensure the seller understands your query or concern. Remember to be polite and specific so that the seller can assist you effectively. Once you've carefully composed your message, the final step is to click Send. After you send your message, the seller will receive your inquiry and can respond accordingly. Keep an eye on your eBay messages for their reply, as timely communication is key to resolving any questions you might have. And there you have it, a straightforward way to contact sellers on eBay. By following these steps, you can efficiently communicate your questions or concerns and make informed purchasing decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on eBay.